What's up? What's poppin'? What's good? You know, we out here. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm about to back up for now, but whenever I start doing all this makeup stuff, I'm gonna get closer. The plan is to film a makeup tutorial, and and a like catch up with me type of thing. So yeah. Okay, so it's been a while. I've been busy, but I wake up at 5:30 in the morning so I can film on February 27th, a Wednesday. And just my luck, they cancel school. So I'm gonna take my sweet time with it, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna take my sweet time on my eyebrows. I'm gonna take my sweet time on all that. Because I just got time to burn. And on top of that, I haven't done my makeup in so long. And even though I'm not going anywhere, I seriously miss it. And I'm probably gonna take a whole lot of pictures of myself and like do the whole shebang because I like looking good. I like looking good. But yeah, so what needs to happen is I think I can actually just use what I have on. I put honey on my face last night, you know, as a skin regimen, and it actually, my skin does look leaps better than it did last night. So, but anyways, I'm gonna eat my little breakfast that I made myself, and then I'm gonna get started. Hey, so from here on out, I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing. So essentially right now, I'm just applying some purple, dark purple, blue, indigo type color to the crease of my eye, not super far down towards the actual, like, eyelashes, more towards the center, because I'm going to cut the crease later on. Then I'm applying a very, like, fuchsia, not flamingo, but hot pink, like Miami pink. And then, let's see, I'm dancing. I blended in a burnt reddish orange into the pink as well towards the bridge of my nose right under my eyebrow to add kind of a Instagram look just to make it more warm. Blending, blending, blending is essential. Blend, blend, blend. Blend until you can't blend anymore, sis. I blend that color all the way up to the top. And then I went in with purple again to really make sure the colors mix together. Again with pink. When I say you have to go back and forth, this is serious. I then took some black to deepen the purple color and blended it up, but not super far into the pink at all. Just blending, you know. Blending takes a lot of time. Blending, blending, blend, blend, blend. Oh, get it. I don't even know what I was doing, but yeah. It's lit. Okay. 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 Ooh, we're taking off the tape. It's getting real now. Off with the hoops, off with the tape. It's getting real. Alright, now I'm about to cut my crease. I do this really slow. I try and make it to where you do the crease test, which is when you put a little bit of concealer at where your lash line is and look all the way up so that your um, eyelid touches the back of your eyelid, if that makes sense, towards your lash line touches the back of your eyelid to show you guidelines. I wish I had a better way to describe that, but I don't. It'll help you make sure that both of your eyes are the same crease if you do this to both. Just making sure that you get plenty, like all of the color out from under there and it's completely white. I'm pretty sure actually after this I went in on my other eye. Oh, so I applied highlight under the top of the arch of my brow. There we go, not the top of my brow, the arch of my brow. And then I started the other eye, which I'll just skip here in a second. So, yeah, we bopping. I covered the white part of the cut crease with some more foundation to really make sure it was white, and then I covered it with the white gold shimmer glitter I have on both sides. I then used lipstick under my eyes as a second liner and put it in the middle of the white eyeliner cut crease wing type thing that I have going on here. Again, on both sides, of course. Symmetry is everything, kind of. So then after that, I used eyeliner over where I'm going to put my lashes on so that they seamlessly are just there. This is me putting glue on my lash line afterwards. And this is the worst part. Lashes are so hard. Just so you know, if you like just watch my videos because you know me and all that, just know that lashes are so hard. So hard. But anyways, yeah, here goes lash number 2. Make sure you have a little bit of space in between the inner corner of your eye and where you start to apply the lashes. There should be a small gap. It's kind of important, I think, at least whenever you're making your lashes look realistic and like a real part of your eye. Now I'm just adding, it looks like, oh no, I'm taking off my bake, the powder, just easily all over, making sure everything's seamless. Ooh! Now I'm adding my first layer of highlight with a broken brush, don't judge. That's not enough. I was like, let me go in with another brush too. I had to dip in twice. Alright, so here's me with an actual highlighting brush and boom. Let's just say boom. Mm-hmm. Sis. Okay then, pop off. Okay then, pop off! We all see you. You glistening from heaven. Dang, it's like that. It's like that. Yeah, it's like that. That's how icy we are. That's how icy I am, actually. My bad. I just got so cocky. Anyways, okay, but for real though, I look good, and I know I look good. Alright, so then I was gonna do something cute with my hair, so I combed it out so it was bigger. Let all my curls go loose, and then are you ready? 3, 2, 1, boom!